Hey everyone, welcome to the very first lecture of our course Salesforce Integration. In this lecture, we will be talking about what is integration and why integration was introduced. What was actual need of integration, because even before integration came into the picture, we were also doing the things and things were working for us. So what was the need of integration, that we will also discuss in this lecture. So let's discuss about what is integration. Integration is whenever two bodies are communicating with each other. There might be two or more bodies which are communicating with each others to exchange the information between them. Two bodies can be users, can be machines, or can be other systems as well. And we can also say whenever two or more than two components comes together to serve a single or multiple functionalities together, that is known as integration. In IT terms, we can also say that there are different components and there are different units which are coming up together and producing an end result to work as a single functionality that we also consider as integration. Let me give you an example of order processing. We are developing a product called order processing, where we have multiple products that we are using. We are using MySQL database to store the pricing of our products, the discounts of our products based on certain criteria, certain customers, certain locations. And there is another system, that is SAP, where we are storing the information about our product, what the product is, how many number of units of any product we have sold, and what were the total number of units for that product, and which product is out of stock. All the information we are storing into the SAP system. And the third system is Salesforce platform, where we are maintaining the orders, order line items, their details, the customers, and on top of Salesforce we have also developed a community site which is an e-com site, and we have exposed the site to our customer so that they can use that site and place the order, buy the product from there. Now in this example, we have three different units which are coming together and producing an end result to work as a single functionality, which is called as order processing. So this is how integration works and what integration is. Now let's talk about why integration. Because before these things were coming, we had Excel sheets, we have different hard drives where we used to store the information and things were working for us. But those things were time consuming. Nowadays, time is money, and we don't want to waste more time on a single thing which can be done within a few clicks or within a few finger touches, within a few file open that we wanted to. Now let's see, take an example. Before integration, a person is going to the market to buy some groceries, some vegetables, some clothes, or some other stuffs for his or her family. Now consider a scenario where the person forget his her wallet, and or a person forget to carry the money. In that case, in 90s or 80s, the person has to take a route. Either person owns their vehicle, the person is traveling from their vehicle till the bank, and the bank cannot be any bank. The person has to go to the bank in which the person holds the account and then fill a form, wait for his turn or her turn, take the money from the bank, and then drive again back to the market. And that will be time consuming, and there might be some case that there is a traffic that is also a headache for that person. And this was a complete old structure before integration came into the picture. Now let's talk the same scenario after integration came into the picture. The same scenario, person is going to the market, forgetting his wallet, forgetting to carry money bag. In that case, when person remembers that I forget the money, then the person will think of that in the market there are multiple payment processing apps. We can consider Google Pay, we can consider Phone Pay, or we can consider Paytm, or different payment applications, or we can also consider debit cards and credit cards, which makes our thing very seamless. And nowadays, even if you forget your wallet or if you forget to carry the money with you, you can easily use your mobile phone, which is very common these days. And these things work. If we talk about how many units are involved in this particular example, we can say we have a mobile which is responsible for carrying our application, payment processing application, that can be anything, a bank server, that means a banking system where we are holding our account, the market, and the third party system which is actually responsible for processing all these payments. So nowadays things becomes easy with the help of integration. So this was a very common scenario that I took so that you can understood what integration is and how integration is affecting our life, how integration is making our life very easy. So this was a very basic overview, and you will be learning more and more in the upcoming lectures. So see you on the next lecture. Thank you.